Hello students, how are you? Again welcome to my class. Now today we will discuss about some problems from your book page number 11. My dear student, the question is in mathematical statement. How can you write this number in numerals form? Now look here. Your question is 822,504. 822,504. How can you write this number in numerals form? Now look here, 822,000. The meaning is 822 is in thousand group. So this is 822,504. 504. Okay. So this number you can write in numeral form 822,504. Okay. 822,504. Again, your next question is my dear student, your next question is 712,099. 712,099. So this number you can write in the form of international system is, now look here, 712,000. 712 is in thousand group. 712 is in thousand period. This is 712 and 99. This is 99. Now in 100 place there will be 0. This number you can write 712,099. Okay, 712,099. Okay. Again, my dear students, your next question is 3,065,481. 3,065,481. How can you write this number in numerals form? Now look here, 3 is in millions place. So this is 3. 3 is in millions place. 65,000. This is 65,000. In 100,000, in 100,000 there will be 0. 481. 481. Okay. So this number you can write in numeral form is 3,65,481. This number you can write 3,65,481. Okay. Again, my dear students, your next question is 5,112,5,100,207. 5,100,207. How can you write this number in international system of numeration? Now look here, 5 is in millions place, so there will be 5. This is 5. 5 is in millions place. 100 is in thousand periods. 100,000. 207. 207. Okay, so this number you can write 5,000,000 5,100,207. Okay, 5,100,207. This is the required answer for the given question. My dear student, this is your second question. This question is insert comma and write the following numbers in words in the international system. So in this question, first what will you do? 507, 507. In this question, first we will put up the comma according to international system of numeration. So as you know very well, first comma we will put after 3 digits. So this number will be first comma we will put after 3 digits. Now look here, this number you can write in mathematical statement ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. The meaning is 507. 507 is in 1000 periods, and 507 this is in ones period. Okay, 507 is in 1000 periods and 507 is in ones periods. So how can you write? Now look here, 507 507,000 507 thousands and 507. Okay, 507 thousands 507. This is the required answer for this question. Your next question is, this is second B, 750,040. In this question we will apply the same instruction. First we will put up the comma. First comma we will put after 3 digits. So this number will become, okay, as you are looking, first comma we will put after 3 digits. So this number will be 750,040. Ones, tens, 100, 040 is in ones period, 750 is in 1000 period. Okay, so how can you write this number according to international system of numeration? Now look here, this will be 750,000 750,040. This is the required answer, 750,040. Okay, again my dear students, this is your next question, 3245524. How can you write this number in international system of numeration? Now look here. First step. What is your first step? First step is we will put the comma after 3 digits. Now look here. First comma we will put after 3 digits. Second comma we will put after 3 digits. Then after ones, tens, hundred. This is in ones period. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. It will be in thousand period, and this is 3 is in millions period. So what can you write? 3 million 3,245,000 3,245,000 3,245,524 524. Okay, 3,245,524. Okay, your next question is, this is question number second D, 6000180. What will you do? Your first step is we will put the comma after 3 digits. Now look here. First comma after 3 digits, second comma after 3 digits. Now look here. 180, 180, ones, tens, hundred. It will be in ones place. So this is in ones period. This 000 is in thousand periods. 0 is in thousand periods, and 6 is in millions place. So this number we can write 6 million. This number we can write 6,180. 6,180. Okay. So my dear students, all these questions depend on your book from exercise page number 11. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.